I was retired medically from the Air Force in 1993 because of emphysema, the fact that I was no longer fit for worldwide duty. The disease, I had quit smoking prior to that time, but the disease basically had taken its toll. I was on heavy medication, using inhalers and tablet forms of medication as well. I have had a real problem with any kind of colds or going into my lungs and causing a lot of problems. Ended up in the hospital 3 different times, each one progressively worse. The last time in the hospital was about December of 1995. No, it would have been 97. Came out of there and I was on oxygen 24 hours a day at that point. Not a very good situation. A friend of my wife's had found out about the Southern Illinois University School of Medicine on the internet, and one thing led to another. I met with Theresa Bowley and Dr. Hazelrig and decided to do the surgery, which was lung volume reduction surgery. Both lungs, 30% off the top of each lung. Apparently I was an excellent candidate for this type of surgery. Hospital stay was very good. I would say that there was a minimum amount of pain involved in it as far as I was concerned. I had the surgery done through the sides of my lung without breaking open the chest. I felt that that might be a little less invasive than going through the center. I came out of surgery. I had a drain on each side. Those they used to tell when the lungs had healed up and there was no air leakage. I was up walking within 2 days after surgery, and everything progressed excellently from there on. I went home very briefly with one drain still in one side, came back the following Monday, had it removed, and everything just blossomed. It didn't take long for me to reach what I would consider a peak, probably in about a year. Well, 6 months to a year, I peaked out, I think. Now it's kind of leveled off as far as what my capabilities are. As you can see, obviously, I am no longer on oxygen. I went off of oxygen about 3 or 4 weeks after I had the surgery, and I have not been back on it since, and that was 2 years ago in June. I would, if anybody has a problem like this, if it is at all possible, I would highly recommend it. Quality of life for me has definitely improved beyond my wildest expectations. It's just unreal, and I hope, based on how I feel now, that this is going to continue for, I don't know, however long I hope it goes. I understand emphysema is not curable at this point in time, and I will get progressively worse as time goes on. I just feel that it's going to be, my life is extended minimum of 5 years, and who knows beyond that. God willing and everything else going, will be okay.